Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can be able to make this stack video effect in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already got 3 clips stacked on my timeline. Now go to OpenFX, and then here, search for Video Collage. Now, drag this effect on the top clip. And then from the Inspector tab, from here, you can copy these settings. After that, now select the top clip and then press Command or Control plus C to copy, and then select the bottom 2 clips, then press Option or Alt plus V to paste the video attributes. Now select the second clip and then go to the Inspector tab, then Effects. Now, from here we have to change only the active tile number. Now select the last clip and then we have to repeat the same steps. Now our stack videos effect is ready to use. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe. Happy editing!